From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Yesterday, a very active weather day across the Midlands. A number of tornado warnings. Starting to get some of those tornadoes verified. Here's one of them, an EF0 tornado in Lexington County. This was over towards South Congaree. It did have maximum winds estimated at about 75 miles per hour. Path width was about 50 yards, and it stayed on the ground for almost 3 miles. Luckily, no injuries reported with that particular tornado, and so far we have not heard of any injuries reported from any of the severe weather yesterday. After the severe weather moved out, our weather did improve. Notice some of these images from our weather watchers. Colorful sunset Wednesday evening. Hopefully you had some time to enjoy that. It's going to be pretty quiet today, mainly sunny as we get to the afternoon hours. Sunny and a little bit cooler on Friday, and the sunshine should stick around for at least the first half of the weekend. Clouds may increase for the second half. 68 degrees was our high yesterday before the rain moved in, and we did manage to get 66/100ths of an inch of rain. So starting off at least part of January, pretty wet, but the next several days should be dry. Little chance for much in the way of measurable rainfall. 77 degrees is our record high. That was set in 1950. 10 degrees the record low. That was set 42 years ago, back in 1981. You notice the record rainfall, and back in 1904 there was a trace of snow. But here's our forecast. Good bit of sunshine today. We'll kind of fly through this because it's going to be pretty quiet for the next several days. There may be a few more clouds Friday afternoon and Friday evening, late in the day on Friday, but mainly sunny skies on Friday. Here comes that cloud cover. It looks like late in the day. Some clouds early Saturday. So we're starting off with some clouds early Saturday. As we get to the late morning hours of Saturday, those clouds will move on out, and we'll enjoy blue skies and sunshine for at least the start of your weekend. Here's how the European model kind of sees things over the next several days. Sunshine on Friday, mainly sunny on Saturday. You notice it does show a little bit more cloud cover on Sunday, maybe some rain to our north, and we do expect a very small chance for a little bit of rain on Monday. They were dry on Tuesday and Wednesday as well, and not expecting a ton of rain over the next 7 days. Here's our rainfall forecast according to the Weather Prediction Center. You're basically talking about a trace amount for parts of the Midlands. So we did pick up a lot of rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. Next 7 days, relatively dry. Relatively warm this afternoon as temperatures run about 10 degrees above normal. We'll go mid 60s, possibly upper 60s in some of the southern half locations of the Midlands. And then for tonight, clear and cool, a little bit cooler than what we have been seeing. Lows dropping upper 30s, lower 40s, still above what we typically would expect at this point in January. Here's our 7-day forecast. Upper 50s to near 60 on Friday. A little cooler on Saturday with lows close to normal, dropping down into the low to mid 30s. Afternoon highs in the lower 60s. Upper 50s, low 60s, both Sunday, Monday. As we mentioned, that very small chance could have a little bit of rain on Monday. Sunshine and clouds Tuesday with temperatures still close to normal. Upper 50s to near 60 degrees. But our 8 to 14-day temperature outlook is indicating warmer than normal conditions for the deep south, including for us here in the Palmetto State. And that would be January 12th through January 18th.